Avocado oil, derived from the fleshy pulp of avocados, has gained immense popularity in recent years, not only for its rich, buttery flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Packed with nutrients and healthy fats, this oil is more than just a cooking ingredient, it's a potent ally in promoting overall health. Here, we delve into the medical benefits of avocado oil, highlighting why it deserves a place in your kitchen. Heart health hero. One of the standout features of avocado oil is its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats are known to support heart health by reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that replacing saturated fats with monounsaturated fats can lower the risk of heart disease. Including avocado oil in your diet may help maintain healthy blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Rich in nutrients, avocado oil is not just about healthy fats, it's also a nutrient-dense oil. It contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin K, and potassium. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and supporting skin health. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. The combination of these nutrients makes avocado oil a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Avocado oil boasts anti-inflammatory properties, largely attributed to its high content of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. Research suggests that these compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating avocado oil into your meals may contribute to a healthier inflammatory response. Skin health booster. Beyond its culinary uses, avocado oil is a fantastic natural remedy for skin health. Rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, it can help moisturize and nourish the skin. Vitamin E in avocado oil aids in healing and protecting the skin from UV damage and environmental stressors. Many skincare products incorporate avocado oil for its ability to soothe dry skin, reduce irritation, and promote a radiant complexion. Applying avocado oil topically can provide hydration and may even help with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Supports nutrient absorption. Interestingly, avocado oil can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other foods. When combined with salads or vegetables, avocado oil helps the body absorb nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K more efficiently. This synergy not only boosts the nutritional profile of your meals, but also maximizes the health benefits of the foods you consume. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Emerging research indicates that avocado oil may have potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that the phytochemicals found in avocados, including avocado extract, may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancers. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits, the preliminary findings are promising and highlight the potential role of avocado oil in cancer prevention. Conclusion: avocado oil is more than just a trendy ingredient, it is a nutritional powerhouse with a wide array of health benefits. From promoting heart health and reducing inflammation to enhancing skin health and supporting nutrient absorption, this versatile oil is an excellent addition to any diet. Whether drizzled on salads, used for sautéing, or applied to the skin, avocado oil can help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. So, next time you reach for oil in the kitchen, consider the many medical benefits of avocado oil. Your body will thank you.